Think you're a fishing expert? Bet you've fallen for these myths. Stick around to find out the truth and level up your fishing game. All right, myth number 1. Fish don't bite in the rain. Wrong. Some of the best bites happen during a light drizzle because it cools the water and stirs up insects. Myth number 2. Bigger bait means bigger fish. Not always. While big bait can attract big fish, smaller lures often get more bites because they match the natural prey most fish feed on. And here's a kicker. Myth number 3. You need expensive gear to catch fish. Absolutely false. Technique and knowledge are far more important than pricey equipment. Many anglers catch trophy fish with budget gear. Lastly, myth number 4. Fishing is just about luck. Nope. It's about skill, knowledge, and patience. Knowing the right spots, the right times,